At the Yorkville Endoscopy Clinic, it appears to be business as usual pending the outcome of a state investigation following the death of Joan Rivers. But the clinic's accrediting agency has for 2 weeks been calling Yorkville to suspend procedures and surgeries immediately. It's the nonprofit American Association for Accreditation of Ambulatory Surgery Facilities. Yorkville and more than 2,000 other medical facilities pay the group for inspections to assure the public of quality care. In some states, accreditation is the same as being licensed.
It shows that you're a member of the club, that you're in good standing, and that you are recognized to be good at what you do.
CNN has exclusively obtained letters written by the accreditation group to the clinic, and we've learned to the federal agency that governs Medicare payments, stating Yorkville is in, quote, immediate jeopardy, putting it on emergency suspension, adding it must stop procedures and surgery until accreditation questions are settled. One letter was written to Dr. Lawrence Cohen, who CNN has learned performed the endoscopy on Rivers. According to the letters, the agency jumped in on its own when it heard about Rivers' cardiac arrest at the clinic. Accreditors made an unscheduled visit to Yorkville and cited 2 so-called deficiencies. Both, an expert tells us, involve possible uncertified, uncredited staff, doctors, and unauthorized procedures at the clinic. The same allegations CNN has been told that state investigators have been looking into, including Rivers' personal doctor, not certified by the clinic, who was asked to begin an unauthorized vocal cords biopsy. If Rivers didn't consent at all,
that's malpractice. You're not allowed as a physician to operate on a patient without consent to perform that operation.
That's because one penalty of even temporarily losing accreditation could mean losing all Medicare reimbursements, according to an expert. Yet, with activity Wednesday inside and out of the facility on New York's affluent Upper East Side, there was no sign of an emergency suspension. How can that be? Medical malpractice attorney Andrew Smiley. It appears to be open. It appears that they are seeing patients. What are we to make of that?
What I would make of it is that they're not too worried about Medicare. They're on the Upper East Side, and they probably have a lot of private paying, wealthy patients that don't want to deal with hospitals.
The fact is, New York licenses Yorkville Clinic, not the Accreditation Association. So far, neither the clinic nor any doctors have been accused of wrongdoing.
And Susan Cadiati joins us now. You've got a statement just now from the clinic.
We did, and it says that they continue to maintain all of its federal, state accreditation and that they're fully authorized to take care of their patients, as that statement reads, and they'll continue to do so, that they're committed to adhering the standards of this accreditation agency. But we couldn't ask any more questions to try to clarify, well, did something change between the time that you received these letters 2 weeks ago and now? Because we can't get any more information. What's interesting, though, is that we checked back with the accreditation agency that sent the letters today, and they said we can't comment with you because of our ongoing investigation of the clinic.